This is Oklahoma's own News 9.
It happens so fast you don't have time to think.
All hands on deck across Texoma as communities work to rebuild from the ground up.
Victims of last night's tornado in Kingston say they are lucky to be alive. Preliminary reports suggest it was an EF2.
So today's video is a little different. So you guys remember a while back I made a video about the time I was in the houseboat and got caught in a thunderstorm out on Lake Texoma. And the thing I was trying to say in that video is in Tornado Alley, when you're out on a boat in a thunderstorm, you never know if a tornado is going to drop out of the thing. And sure enough, 2 weeks ago, a tornado hit Lake Texoma. So down here in DFW, I could see the sky was boiling. I got the camera out, caught it on video, and I knew something bad was probably gonna happen somewhere, and sure enough it did. Now NOAA, they've got this website where you can look at the past 10 years worth of storms, and they've already got this tornado mapped out and the damage assessment. They're rating it at an EF2, about 130 mile an hour winds, and they show the track where it hit the south side of the lake, went across the lake, and it hit Buncombe Creek Marina. The worst part is someone did pass away on the south side of the lake where the tornado first came down. So that's pretty bad. So it looks like it missed JT's family's cabin where we hang out all summer by about 0.4 of a mile. So they got pretty lucky, it sounds like. But I'm gonna take you guys up there, we're gonna meet the gang and go see what this tornado did. So let's get going. Okay guys, we're up here at the lake, and what, 2 weeks ago, tornado hit the Marina about 1/4 of a mile away. The only thing it did here at the cabin was that tree. That's it.
That was that tree.
That's all it got. All right, so we're gonna go drive around the Marina and the neighborhood and see what this tornado did. So just a couple weeks ago, everyone was down here at the docks for the end of winter celebration, but now this part of the marina is completely destroyed. And here, look at this boat. Damn it. Pontoon parts, old tri-tune. That really sucks. New outboard destroyed. Damn it. It's gotta be windy to blow trees down that big. So we drove up into the RV park and met a man who was cleaning up some of the debris, and he had a couple friends who were in an RV when the tornado hit. He was in it?
Yeah, they were both in it.
Oh my God.
It's lucky either one of them's alive, because I mean, the frame was sitting here against that tree, and the shell of the camper was over here. He had to go find his wife. He could hear her screaming. Jeez. And they said it almost took all of his scalp. We finally found his pickup keys, his military stuff, a bunch of his grandbaby's pictures.
Jeez.
And somebody found a water cask because he keeps cash for the deal. I heard it was 2,000, 10,000. Somebody found it and brought it to him and gave it to him.
They brought the money back? Wow.
This is a good community.
It is.
Here. I mean,
it is.
It is. Well, I got some more.
Good luck to you.
Appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah.
You bet.
Thank you. Pretty crazy. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but he's saying his friends were in this camper when it came through and somehow lived, which I don't know how. That is crazy. That is a jacked up golf cart. This pontoon. Ooh. Damn. Yeah, there's not much saving that. Damn. Over and film that. That's something I've just never really seen in real life. Yeah, me either. Those old John Deere Gators used to be badass. It's a pontoon on the ground. Jeez.
Holy cow.
That sucks. That sucks. Bad. Yeah, that storm, I bet they were in it.
Look right above, look at that tree.
Damn.
That is proof positive.
That's
You need
crazy.
to do a storm cellar.
Yep. Yep. I bet they were in that thing too.
Wow.
Well, this sucks. It got the church down here pretty good. After we walked around the church, a convoy of golf carts and side-by-sides showed up out of nowhere. What?
On this golf cart?
You were what?
Golf cart.
Huh?
We were sitting here. And out of nowhere, all these people show up. All of them. There was nobody here. They're offering free beers and Jello shots.
Who are they?
So I took this beer, and the lady's like, nah, you gotta take 2 beers.
What?
This lady right here, Buncombe Creek Marina shirt.
Oh.
She makes you take 2 beers. She won't give you 1.
So this group organized a happy hour convoy, and they were traveling around the whole lake neighborhood, basically trying to cheer everyone up in the aftermath of this storm. What did they give you?
A Seagram's and a Jello shot.
Where y'all from?
I live here.
Oh, okay.
Here's all my babies.
So you're one of the crazy cat people.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's okay. That's cool.
These right here, these are the people that live here. Look, they're still out here having a good time, living life. And look what's all around them. Everything they know.
So y'all were sitting here and what?
Just hanging out, and this nice little crew ranger just pulled right up on us, and
This one here?
yeah.
They just pulled up into the church parking lot?
And look at this kind lady right here.
Thank you.
Look at this.
Where are y'all from?
Perry Park.
So if you know anything about these small Texas, Oklahoma towns, you know everyone's going to rebuild and get things back together in no time. And we'll be up here all summer long supporting the local businesses and the marina just like we always do. And if you think it's a weird scene to have a bunch of people having drinks in a church parking lot after the church has been destroyed, well, I think God gives everyone a pass after a natural disaster. Or at least I hope so.